everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we have to continue to study to compute how the fraction word problems. So we are now in number 4. Okay, the problem is stated that Marisa has read 1/5 of her favorite pocketbook. If she had read 60 pages, how many more pages does he still have to read? So our solution, of course, we're going to know the given, this part to understand the problem, and then we have to analyze. Then we're going to make 2 columns, 1 column per fractions and 1 column per pages. Then the fraction given is 1/5, which is equals to 60. Already read by Marisa, 60 pages. And the problem now asking for the remaining more pages. So the problem asking for 5/5, which is the whole number when it comes to fraction. So what is the whole number, or the totality of the pages that to finish the read the pocketbook? And we have also the hidden problem, the 4/5. Okay, to solve the problem, we're going to divide 60 divided by 1/5 equals, we're going to use the reciprocal method, 60/1 times, in reciprocal method, we're going to inverse the second fraction from 1/5 into 5/1. And then horizontal multiplication, 60 times 5 equals 300, and 1 times 1 equals 1. So 300/1 300 divided by 1 equals 300. Our complete answer is Marie still has to read 300 pages. So this the 300 equivalent to 5/5 of the totality. Okay, number 5 problem. I'm going to read first. 1/4 of Ram's money amount to 5,000 pesos. How much in all in Ram's money? Okay, we have our solution. We have to pick up the given, and we will make 2 columns, 1 for the fraction and 1 for the amount. The given fraction is 1/4, which is equivalent to 5,000. And then the problem asking for how much in all the Ram's money. So asking for 4/4, and 3/4 is the hidden questions. To solve the problem, we're going to divide 5,000 divided by 1/4. Since 5,000 is a whole number, so we're going to make this a fraction by putting 1 at the denominator. So 5,000 divided by 1 times now, because we're using a reciprocal method, we're going to change the division sign to multiplication sign. Then the second fraction, since reciprocal, we're going to inverse the 1/4, it becomes now 4 over 1. Then horizontal multiplication, 5,000 times 4 equals 20,000. Then 1,000 equals 1. Then 20,000 divided by 1 equals 20,000. So therefore, our complete answer Rams has 20,000 in all. To check, if 1/4 is 5,000, so therefore the 3/4, the leading question is 15,000. Then 5,000 plus 15,000, so we have 20,000, which is equivalent to 4 over 4. So therefore, since complete in our answer, okay, we're done.